How's it going, guys? So in this video I'm gonna be fishing with my buddy Rick. Now me and Rick have done a lot of land-based snook fishing, and we've been wanting to get the kayaks out for a very long time, but he's always super busy and he's either working or I'm working when he's off. So we were able to finally link up and get out on the water, and it was a beautiful morning. Started off like around 6:45ish, and it was foggy all morning long till about 9:30. The fog finally lifted up and we were able to find some schools of mullet and catch a couple fish. Now we threw topwaters all morning and in the fog, and it was great. It was a ton of action, a lot of trout throwing topwaters, and then as that fog lifted up, when we found the mullet, I was able to stick a couple redfish, and then found some snook on some mangrove lines. Rick casted a snook, and it turned out to be a really good day with a lot of fish caught. So stay tuned, guys. At the very end of the video, I'll go over all the tackle that I used and some of the presentations and stuff like that. So enjoy. The big one. Looking for, baby. Let's go. This is a beautiful. Nice red. Garbaged it. Can't even see that, paddlers. Woohoo! Let's go. What a beauty. What do you think? It's like a 28.
Nice.
That paddlers is down there, dude. Hell yeah, dude. I wonder if that's them right there. It's the sushi shorts. It's all about the sushi shorts. Sushi shorts. I would just come over here and just cast right out here. Hell yeah!
You got that one skinny, didn't you?
Oh yeah. What a beautiful fish.
Another donkey?
Yeah, it's a nice one.
I
Wow.
wish there was a way I could have
Look how nice that fish is.
It's prop.
Such a pretty fish. Oh, that was another red. I seen him that time.
A few moments later.
Sunny, now it's foggy again. It's okay. It's okay. Oh! Oh my God! Biggin! This is a giant. Oh, big red. Big red. I told you to cast over here a minute ago and you didn't listen to me. Did I not say that? I told you like 30 minutes ago, Rick, cast behind me. No, you have not. You've been going over there. Oh, music, music, brother.
You better be posting this freaking video.
That drag is tight too. Oh my God.
You're gonna make me re-rig, right?
Uh-oh, here comes Flipper. Here comes Flipper.
I got her under
This
control.
is a big one. Holy cow, dude.
What, you're gonna hit a little jig?
Oh God. Fucking dolphin. Uh-oh. Oh, the fog. There we go. I can feel the fog now. It's getting thick. That is a studsy. That's a studsy right there. Woo! Oh, yeah. Let's go, baby. Oh. That's an 11-pound fish.
Are you serious?
Yeah, look at this thing. That is a stud, bro. These fish are thick as hell over here. Yeah, it's on now. I guess I'll chase him. Now, that's how it is. Oh no.
Got you in the cut.
Yeah, he's getting in there.
Is he in there?
Not yet.
I just got fucking stunned.
Ah! Get out. Get out.
Need a hand?
No. Oh no. shit. No, he's still on, I think. Oh, he's right there. He's right here. Oh, fuck. I can push my way through. Stuck on this oyster cluster.
Is he stuck in there?
Oh, he's right here. Ah!
Oh my god, he came out.
Yeah, for now.
He's getting me in there. He's trying. He's still trying. It's just ridiculous. Nice kick. You got him,
I can't believe we caught that. I can't believe we caught that.
Here, hit your power pole.
I can't believe we got that out of there. That thing was wrapped around a cluster of oysters just hanging from the mangroves.
I'm gonna come in on your right side.
Unbelievable. I don't know how that line held up to that. Oh, I got a little bit of fray here. That's brand new Berkeley X9.
You got your slam.
Oh, yeah. Wow. I don't know how that.
That's a nice little snook too.
Oh, he smoked it too. Minnows.
Minnows?
Yeah. Well, it was getting deeper, and the paddlers wasn't getting to the bottom. So I switched over, got my other rod.
Turn on?
No, it has to be turned on to listen to me. So like. What's up, bro? Yeah.
Oh, you catch one.
No shit. Ah. That sucks, bro. This might be another 8-pounder. Another 8. Nice fish. Let's go. Hey guys, thanks again for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. That was one of the best trips I've had in that area. We were fishing. It was Rick's home waters. I've been fishing there for a long time, down in St. Pete, and it was a good trip, really good trip. Learned a lot. I almost didn't even go. I remember waking up at 6 in the morning, and I'm like, texted Rick, I was like, bro, I don't even want to get up. I'm tired. I want to go back to bed. He's like, let's go. I'm already rigged up. Now, I was already rigged up as well, so I just didn't feel like loading the boat and driving down there. About a 35-40 minute drive, but went and fished anyways, and I'm glad I did because the bite started off kind of slow. I mean, we did the foggy morning thing with top waters, catching a lot of trout doing that, and I was throwing the Fathom 200, that new low profile that Penn has. And let me tell you what, if you like throwing bait casters, highly recommend this little reel. It's awesome. And of course, they make it in a couple different sizes: the 200, 300, and 400 size. And I'm running the 15-pound inshore camo on there, Battalion 2, 7-foot, 10 to 14 or 10 to 17-pound class rod. And we're throwing top waters with this. The sheet pup was working really well. And I was also, earlier in the week, I was throwing a Zman diesel minnows with this. It was working really well, just swimming those. So if you like throwing bait casters, definitely check out that Fathom. Great little reel. Now, as far as my spinning gear goes, throwing the Class 2 2500 7'2" world class 6 to 12 rod. I was also throwing the 7 foot on my other Class 2 combo that had the blue camo on it. This has the Berkeley X9 10 pound in the white. 25 pound leader on both rods. The Berkeley Prospect works great. And this one right here had the minnows with that swimbait eye jig head, 3/16 ounce. This is what I was mainly fishing later in the day with. As that tide came up, I was fishing around mangrove lines and everything like that, fishing some spoil-ons. When that water got a little bit deeper, I went from throwing the snake locks, which I was catching the redfish on in the morning. As that tide was coming up, I was in about 1.5 feet of water. That's where I was throwing the snake locks and the schools of mullet. Didn't have any problems getting grass on or anything, and that's where I was catching the redfish on. Day got on, switched over to this minnows, a little bit deeper water, that 3 foot, 4 foot, and this worked really well for the snook, and I also caught a redfish on it as well. So those are the combos. Those are the combos right there. I've used these reels for about a year. Let me tell you, if you haven't fished the Clash 2, you need to get one. I mean, honestly, I'm not BSing you guys when it comes to my tackle. I mean, I put this stuff to the test. You don't have to get a world class, a $300 rod, but as far as like if I like the HMG inshore for $100, great rod, world class. Pretty much all my tournament stuff, I'm using the world class. I just like it. It just feels really good in my hand, real lightweight, and I can cast it all day long. So if you guys have any questions regarding pen reels, Berkeley line, spider wire, Z-Man, anything, let me know. I'll be sure to help you guys out the best I can. Also, these eye strike swimbait eyes, dude, they're hard to get right now. I'm telling you. If you can find them, buy them up, because I'm having trouble getting them myself. So that's the jig head. I'm telling you, I went from the trout eye to that. For snook and redfish, that's the jig head right there. That thing's awesome. The bait doesn't pull off. You don't need super glue. You don't need any little tricks with that jig head. It's going to stay on there all day long. You can catch 30 fish on one jig head, so, or on one bait without that bait sliding down. So if you guys have any questions, message me below. Message me on Instagram, Redfish Jesse, and take care. See you in the next video.